Bitcoin's price has had a huge reversal here. What does this mean for Bitcoin? Is $55,000 out of the books right now for Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin going to go pumping straight to 70K like some people are calling for? Or is 55 still on the table? And what does it mean for the altcoins, guys? What is causing Bitcoin to pump? These are all the topics we're going to be covering today on the critical update for the market today here. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains, and let's get right to it. Guys, 77% of you guys that are watching these videos are not subscribed. Make sure you fix that and hit that subscribe button, guys. On the way to the price action, here we go, right? Bitcoin has had this reversal here. We reached down, we wicked down to as low as 56,500, and then we've had a reversal back up. We are currently hitting this previous value area, this previous range that we were in, the value area low. We're hitting this right now. We're facing some resistance here. We're back above the last line of defense that I've been calling for you guys. We have only closed down below this first time ever, below 61,197. We are now back above it. If we close today above this, what would this mean for Bitcoin, right? A lot of people are calling for a 70K Bitcoin. That is going to put us at the very top of this value area high. Value area high is sitting at $68,981, taking us back to the 2021 all-time high of 69,000. Are those the levels to reach for right now? Well, there is the naked point of control up here, right, of 66,900. If we re-enter this range and we were able to break 63, which I do expect to be resistance as well, that would be the logical target, would be the point of control up here. But I still believe that even though we've had some big news coming out from the traditional finance, from Jerome Powell, from the jobs report that is causing this spike right now, I don't think that this is going to be a long-term rally. Even if we do come back to the upside here, I still believe that there is some critical levels down here around 55,000 that should be revisited. But if they don't, that's okay. I'm okay with the price rallying to the upside, because that means when the altcoin season comes back, everybody wants to know, when is it going to happen? Well, Bitcoin needs to rally and then go sideways. The rally is going to pump the altcoins, and then the sideways trade action of Bitcoin is going to allow people to put more money into altcoins, and altcoins will continue rallying. As we see here, when Bitcoin was trading sideways, look at this multi-month range going sideways, the altcoins were still rallying during this time. A lot of altcoins pumped 200, 300% around this time frame, especially the AI coins. But let's get into what is causing this for Bitcoin and what does it mean for the rest of the altcoins here. If you guys aren't following me over here on X, make sure you do that. I'm at BChain Crusader. The first thing up is the M2 money supply. We see this little tiny wick right here, this little boop, right? It's growing. This is the first time that the M2 money supply is actually starting to grow here, which could lead to a Bitcoin blast off. There's a lot of speculation that the federal rate hike, the federal rate cuts actually are coming, and we're going to actually be getting some cuts here before the end of this year. And that, if that occurs, that is going to fuel the rocket that Bitcoin sits on. But let's keep diving into it, right? Reported here, the Dow soared as weak job report came out today. A Fed rate cut is coming. A lot of people are speculating on this Fed rate cut coming. Over 500 points unexpectedly spiked on the Dow's future today because of the April's jobs data. Only 175,000 new jobs were added, and unemployment rose to 3.9, right? Jerome Powell has been hinting at a weakening labor market, and it could lead to rate adjustments, right? The GDP growth and rising inflation, the financial markets are reacting swiftly to this and are waiting for a policy change. Once again, this is all hinting at a rate cut. If we get a rate cut from interest rates, things are about to get very interesting for Bitcoin. Another thing I want to remind you guys is, look at this. Halving event just occurred, right? And then things were kind of boring for a while in 2012. Boom, blast off. Halving event in 2016, kind of boring for a little while, a little bit of spike, and then boom, parabolic, right? Same thing in 2020. We actually had the halving. We were red for about 3 months, give or take some time, and then bam, massive blast off. Once again, the halving has just occurred. Now we're hitting our first red month after 7 months of consecutive price action for Bitcoin to the upside since September of 2023. And now everybody feels like, oh, that's it. The bull market is over. Nothing's going to be, it's over. That's it, guys. Just bail now. Guys, this is the most interesting time just yet. This bull market is just getting ready to get started. And I expect for a parabolic rise at some point to start here later this year, especially 2025. Now, if you guys are in here, right, you're like, well, you know, how can I take advantage of this? I'm not a trader. I can't do anything about this right now. Well, in reality, crypto is all about being your own bank, holding custody of your own crypto. And if you are doing that right now, and you are holding custody of your own crypto, don't just let your crypto sit in a wallet they're just doing nothing, right? Well, that's okay. If you want to do that, that's okay by you, right? That's everybody's choice, everybody's own risk management. But if you're planning on being your own bank, you want to make your money work for you, because that's what banks do. Banks put their money to work. And that's what I've been doing in my private Discord, the Crypto Citadel, right? I've been teaching people how to use tools in DeFi and not get fooled by these massive aggressive APYs that end up getting hit with massive and permanent loss, but how to properly manage the risk, how to properly identify ranges so that you don't fall out of the range and get hit with impermanent loss, how to identify profitable, long-term, sustainable pools that you can provide liquidity for and make your bank work for you, right? Make your own money work for you in the long term. So that's what I'm teaching over here in my private Discord. If you guys haven't checked that out already, posting DeFi pools that I'm in, posting fundamental information. And guys, this costs 50 cents a day. 50 cents a day, guys. That's all it costs. $15 a month, 50 cents a day. If you're not willing to invest 50 cents a day to learn and educate yourself on how to make your bank profitable for yourself and how to make your money work for you, I don't know what to tell you guys. There's a free section. You can join the Discord. The link is down below. You can join the Discord for free. There's a free section. You can hang out, talk to people, become part of the Crusader Army. But if you actually want to take it to the next level and become and put your money to work and learn how to use DeFi properly, then the premium section is there. You can hit the upgrade section, and for 50 cents a day, become part of somebody that is learning how to really put the money to work the best way possible, guys. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains. Until next time, see ya.